Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on profit equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap which Mohnish Pabrai has been silently holding even though his name does not appear on the shareholding pattern. Now, this is not our own research. This was shared by Meet and we'll be providing a link to his Twitter handle in the description section. Now, the holding is under Dhando Holdings LP and the number of shares held as per the annual report stands at 2,58,308, which amounts to 0.49% stake of the company. Now, this is below the threshold of 1% and hence does not need to be reported to the exchanges. This is why the holding is not public. Please watch this video to know more about it. Now, the company in question is Chaman Lal Sethia Exports Limited, which is available at Rs. 76 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is CHAMANSEQ. Now, Chaman Lal Sethia Exports Limited is an India-based manufacturer and exporter of basmati rice. The company also offers non-basmati rice such as Sugandha, Sharbati, Pril and Sona Masuri. In the international market, the company is exporting rice to over 70 countries across the world in the Maharani brand or under the private level of the customers. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has not really done much and has been a severe underperformer. The market cap of the company is 393.17 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS of 7.54 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 10.08, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 15.14. The price to book ratio of 2.03 is also not expensive. Now, starting from this video, we have included few more ratios to provide more information to our viewers, and two of them are current ratio and total debt. Now, current ratio for this company stands at 4.0071 and is indicative of how well the company can cover its liabilities. The return on equity is 0.209, which is also a decent figure. The company has a dividend yield of 0.55, whereas the promoter holding stands at 74.05%. The debt to equity is 0.1830, whereas the total debt for the company stands at 37.93 crores. Now friends, a potential red flag. CRISIL has stated that the company is not cooperating with them, and this could be or not be a potential issue going forward. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.